Hello and a very warm welcome. Thank you, Anshika and Madhulika, for joining in. And today we are at last on the last chapter of this book, that is the fifth night. It's going to be long, but yeah, at last ये last chapter है. इसके अंदर छोटे छोटे segments हैं which we read day by day. But officially, this is the fifth night that we are going to read about from this amazing book, The Courage to Be This Light. Here we are going to talk about to live in the earnest is to live in earnest is the here and now. Let me very quickly start sharing the screen so that we can read it together. Mm. The young man thought to himself, Adlerian psychology is engaged in thorough, uh, thorough inquiry into interpersonal relationships. And the final goal of these interpersonal relationships is the community feeling. But is this really enough? Isn't there something else that I was brought into this world to achieve? What is the meaning of life? Where am I headed? And what sort of life am I trying to lead? The more the young man thought, the more it seemed to him that his own existence had been tiny and insignificant. Have you ever thought about it? Ki, what are we here for? What is our purpose here? Hello, Komal. Hello, Archana. Thank you guys for joining in.
I
Thank you for joining.
हेलो करिश्मा
बड़ी छोटी सी आवाज दिख रही है कोमल की आज.
छोटी आवाज ही करनी पड़ेगी करिश्मा.
Not so. Just be mindful. That's it.
No, I meant go with the flow. I meant in that sense.
All right.
छोटी छोटी
Um,
means surrender. Remember.
So the first, part of this chapter that we are first night that we are going to talk about is excessive self-consciousness stifles the self. Wow. So the philosopher says it's been a while, hasn't it? You. Yes, I last came about a month ago. I have been thinking about the meaning of community feeling since then. Philosopher. So how do you feel about it now? You. Well, community feeling is definitely an attractive idea. The sense of belonging, that it's okay to be here, for example, which we possess as a fundamental desire. I think it is a brilliant insight into our existence as social creatures. Philosopher. It's a brilliant insight, except you. Funny, you caught on right way. That's right. I still have some issues with it. I will say it straight out. I have no idea what you are doing, what you are going on about with your reference to the universe and all that. And it ends up is yeah, से पढ़ते हैं. Okay. And it ends up reeking of religion from beginning to end. There's this kind of cultish quality to it, all that I just can't shake. Philosopher. When Adler first proposed the concept of community feeling, there was a great deal of opposition in a similar way. People said that psychology is supposed to be a science, and here was Adler discussing the issue of worth. That sort of thing isn't science, they said. Youth. So, in my own way, I tried to figure out why I couldn't understand what you were talking about, and I'm thinking that the order of things might be the problem. You are starting off with the universe and inanimated objects and the past and the future, so and so on. So I lose track of things. Instead, one should get a firm grasp of the I. Next, one should contemplate one-on-one relationships. That is to say, the interpersonal relationships or ships of you and I. And once one has done that, the larger community should come into view. Philosopher. I see. That is a good order. Youth. Now, the first thing I want to ask about is attachment to self. You are saying that one has to stop being attached to the I and make the switch to concern for others. I'm sure it is exactly as you say. Concern for others is important, I agree. But no matter what, we worry about ourselves, we look at ourselves all the time. So the philosopher says, have you thought about why we worry about ourselves? Youth. I have. If I were a narcissist, for example, if I were in love with myself and constantly fascinated with myself, maybe that would simplify things because your instructions have more concern for others is perfectly sound one. But I am not self-loving, not a self-loving narcissist. I am a self-loathing realist. I hate who I am, and that's exactly why I look at myself all the time. I don't have confidence in myself, and that's why I am excessively self-conscious. Wow. So the philosopher says, at what times do you feel that you are excessively self-conscious? So the youth says, well, at meetings, for example, I have a hard time raising my hand and making myself heard. I think needless things, like if I ask this question, they will probably laugh at me, or if the point I want to make is irrelevant, I'll be ridiculed, and so on. And I just calm up. Truthfully, I falter even when it comes to telling silly jokes in front of people. Every time my self consciousness kicks in and puts the brakes on, and it's as if I have been jacketed. My self consciousness won't allow me to behave in an innocent way, but I don't even have to ask for your answer. I'm sure it will be the same as always. Have courage. But you know, such words are of no use to me because this isn't just a matter of courage. Philosopher. I see. Last time, I gave an overview of community feeling. Today, we will dig deeper. Youth. And where will that take us? Philosopher. We will probably arrive at the question, what is happiness? Youth. Oh, so happiness lies beyond community feeling. Philosopher. There is no need to rush the answers. What we need is dialogue. Youth. All right then. So let's get started. All right. यही था आज का तो. Okay. So, what do you find interesting in this? Any insights? मेरे को है ये that I have been that person. How this youth is saying कि I would never raise my hand, I would never ask any questions, I would never do that. Abhi I'm started breaking up just in 2025. I started asking questions. ये क्यों ऐसे क्यों नहीं. अच्छा ठीक है. After the MMI event. उससे पहले तक मैं अपने कोच के रूम में भी बस ऐसे बोलती थी क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछो, जो बोल रही है ठीक ही तो बोल रही होगी. Why should I ask? Why should I? I don't have any questions. Whatever she's saying is right. I'll adopt it. I never questioned anyone. Let's hear it from you all.
And
Yeah, this one.
yes,
Yeah, Komal, go ahead.
I've
Yeah, go
always
ahead.
been, I've always been the person who asked questions. I've never been the one who was quiet. I just don't remember when I was like that, which Karishma is talking about. That's only which came in my mind. I was always the question. I was always the question.
कोमल ने अपने आप को क्वेश्चन बना दिया. Who is Komal? Please tell us.
कोमल, तुम अपने हमको क्वेश्चन मत बनाओ प्लीज.
है ना? So I myself am a question mark. Crazy. Okay. So what I was saying is I've always been into introspecting everything. It was never like, oh, ठीक ही बोल रहा होगा. Never. I don't remember.
But I had never had maybe the courage to ask. I always felt कि मैं जो question पूछूंगी ना, that will be the silliest question and everybody would be laughing at me.
वो होता है वो जब हम मतलब अभी हम इतना कुछ कर रहे हैं, शायद कभी पार्ट आ जाता है कि हम ओपन अप हो गए और फिर हम क्वेश्चन पूछना शुरू हो गए. अदरवाइज एवरीबॉडी मे बी इन दैट फेज व्हेन you are saying longer, आपका हो गया, किसी का कब टूटा, है ना? वी वर टॉट, हम स्कूल में क्योंकि 30 स्टूडेंट्स हैं तो हर टाइम हर पर्सन क्वेश्चंस तो नहीं पूछ सकता ना टीचर से कि क्या पढ़ा रहे हो, कैसे पढ़ा रहे हो, क्यों पढ़ा रहे हो, ये क्या है, nobody can ask. So we grow up that way.
Yeah,
This
in
is
school I was very funny. I was very okay. I was वो बैक बेंचर्स होते थे ना, मजाक भी उड़ा देते थे, सब कुछ कर देते थे. But I
so
don't know, so all of a sudden everything changed after, getting
marriage.
married maybe, or yeah,
Any
whatever.
time it can be
I'm
growing up, if
yeah,
not married, growing up, है ना? तो
I'm glad that I'm over it now. Let's hear it from you, Anshika.
Yeah, for me also, I was like not a question asking person, but I was not of even answering person too. Like I can relate with that. So I remember in school, whenever teacher asked something and I knew answer, but still I never used to raise and tell. And
आपकी
I
तो
used
गलत
to
हो
tell
गया.
my like, and they are like, you, if you know it, why don't you tell? And my logic was, so I know and I'm telling, but if I don't know, then I'm not telling. So teacher may not know like किसको आता है. तो अभी जब पता ही नहीं तो उनको पता ही नहीं कि मुझे आता है कि नहीं आता है. So like I had a very
Yes,
stupid
that's
notion of, but now that I think and I realize like टीचर को तो लगता होगा क्योंकि मुझे पहले भी नहीं आता, उनको थोड़ी ना पता था कि मुझे नहीं आता है, right? So that was a notion for me. I don't know why I wanted to prove that like I know or I don't know. That is a curiosity for a teacher. But yeah, my realization was like as a kid, we have been forced not to ask questions, right? Like क्वेश्चन सिर्फ गलत चीजों के लिए ही बचपन से हमसे पूछा गया, तुमने ये चीज क्यों तोड़ दी. So somewhere subconsciously we are trained not to ask questions because it has a negative notion with it, right? कभी भी अच्छी चीजों के लिए, अरे तुम इतनी अच्छी से ड्राइंग कैसे कर लेते हो, नोबडी आस्क्स, राइट? कोई नहीं पूछता हमसे अच्छी चीजों के लिए, पर गड़बड़ करने पे सीधे पूछते हैं. तो समवेयर क्वेश्चंस आर कनेक्टेड टू नेगेटिव denotation, and that's the reason maybe not asking question became more normal than asking questions.
true.
So
Very
yeah.
true. Otherwise, what else did you like in what we did just now? You have missed couple of sessions from past, no?
Yeah, entire week gone last week. Karishma is like, so I have no concept, but one thing in the beginning of line, I didn't caught exactly what it was, but something on there is past and future of materialistic and right, like
Community
it's
field.
in the शुरू के line में है. It is materialistic, future and present both are time in now, something on that line. I don't remember exact line, but there was something like that. So that was the one that caught my attention. That
I'll be like, yeah, kya tha? Because I don't want
कोई
to.
बात नहीं,
I
फिर
don't
से आ
want.
जाएगा.
It's not about you. It's about me. I don't want to miss what you got.
It's something that clicked me more than any other like thing. So yeah, but it's okay. Let's hear from other people, and then something new will come.
All right, let's hear it from Archana. Since your camera is on, let's hear it from you first.
So बहुत कुछ तो खैर मैंने नहीं पढ़ा, तो जितना मुझे पढ़ा है for the asking questions. So since my childhood, I am like an inquisitive child, always asking questions and always arguing also, over debating also why it is like that. And वो मेरा हमेशा से रहा, until today it is like that. I want to know certain things, I want to learn, and that's why I'm still learning and asking questions and learning and again asking questions. So what caught my attention is the last one, wherein what is happiness. So therein a philosopher, whosoever is going to take the boy, whole philosopher would going to take the boy, or whatever the story is like. So this is the question to ponder over. So what is happiness according to each one of you?
Absolutely.
So we can think over it. What is happiness?
For me,
That caught my
happiness is
attention.
peace of mind.
गुड। अंशिका का वो मुझे अच्छा लगा कि मैं सस्पेंस में ही छोड़ देती हूँ टीचर को। दैट वाज द क्यूट वन।
So you know what I used to do in the exams?
गेसिंग गेम।
What I used to do in the exams, because history answers used to be 3, 4, 5 pages long, I would, write half of the answer, and then I would put dash, dash, dash in the last line. Because if I know this much, teacher should know that I know it all. And my mom would, scold me. तुझको पूरा आता था, why did not? मैं कही इतना सारा लिखा है तो मैम को पता चलता ना कि मेरे को सारा आता है. I was tired, my hand was hurting, I did not want to write more.
अरे थोड़ा सा ब्लैंक छोड़ दिया डैश 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 सो दैट टीचर शुड अंडरस्टैंड.
हमारे टाइम में क्या कहते थे, लिख के अरे ज्यादा पेजेस भर के ना, इवन इफ यू डोंट नो मच, चल राइट डाउन द स्टोरी ऑफ अ मूवी, बट प्लीज फिल द पेजेस, प्लीज फिल द पेजेस.
Yes, because they
However, I haven't done like this of any sort, but people used to say like this.
it is people do like in our time also it used to be there that fill the pages at least. Because maybe that marking thing was like that. Ki 6 pages, that's good for you have to do it that much.
Chalo,
Yeah.
let's hear it from Madhulika. Madhulika, please unmute yourself and share what's your insight on what we did just now.
Yeah, hi. Thanks, Karishma, for letting me share. Although I was sitting with my son and my pet, I'm sorry. So I could not hear much. But yes, I think we all stopped. I was a go-getter during my school days. Uh, I was good in good in academics as well as the co-curricular activities also. I was one of the star face of the school during my school days. But when I got married, then it was a closure came to me. I just got closed into myself. And before that, I don't remember whether I used to ask questions or not. Yes, I must be something like that, maybe. But yes, then I started to ask questions to myself that what is this, where my life is leading? Am I doing something really? Is this good for me? Am I losing myself? Where am I? Who am I? The questions, why I am born, what is my purpose? What's the purpose of my life? All those questions used to come, when you are in a bad phase. I think you are the closest, at that time, you're the closest to yourself and the God. That is the only thing, the only positive thing that comes to you when you are going through a bad phase of your life, or maybe the realization comes when it really hits you hard on your face. So I'm also waiting for the philosopher to explore and the youth to explore what happiness is. Maybe my definition will change with the due course of book, but for now, my definition of happiness is your state of mind. It's a choice.
हाँ, और आज मैंने वैसे मेरी उसके अंदर ग्रुप में कौन कौन है ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग लाइफ विद करिश्मा में, उसके अंदर मैंने यही डाला था कि हैप्पीनेस इज नथिंग बट अ चॉइस दैट यू मेक एवरी डे.
Yes, happiness is a choice for sure. It can nothing other than your choice, because you choose to be happy or you choose to feel miserable. It is all up to you how you in what frame of mind you are. So yeah, but then maybe my definition will change, maybe, because we all are learning here, we all are evolving. So let's learn, let's see what happiness is. So I'm looking forward
to get into that as well myself.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, anybody wants to share anything else, or we should wrap the session? जल्दी खत्म हो गया. वैसे तो
अच्छा,
सुबह
जरूर और काम कर लेंगे.
today in the morning I had only this much वाला chapter, इतना सा chapter था, and we
अभी
extended.
तो वापस से वो मत जला, अभी क्वेश्चन शुरू हो जाएंगे.
I can create questions. Archana can create questions. Inquisitive minds.
Yes, now I
Exactly.
We have.
These questions,
अभी मन
asking
बहुत शांत है.
questions. actually help you to, like, as Madhulika said, we should ask question to ourselves every time where we are,
बोलते हैं
how.
कि she should start writing whenever you have a question, write it.
हाँ,
Whenever you have some thought, write it. When
that right.
you
I
see
feel
the
like
question
Writing
का
is the
आंसर खुद
best
ही के
thing.
पास है तुम्हारे पास.
yes, ये भी है.
Everything
आंसर भी
is
बड़े
there
अच्छे आते
inside
हैं.
us.
आंसर्स भी आते हैं ऑब्वियसली. व्हेन क्वेश्चंस आते हैं आंसर्स विल आल्सो बी देयर. क्योंकि क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछ रहे हो? बाकियों से नहीं पूछ रहे, हम अपने आप से भी पूछ ही रहे होते हैं हमेशा. तो इट्स नॉट लाइक वी आर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड. तो वो आई थिंक आई रिमेम्बर द टाइम वेयर आई फेल्ट और माय मॉम वाज लाइक भगवान ढूंढने से नहीं मिलेंगे, इतना क्या ढूंढ रही है. मतलब लाइक 3-4 hours, 3-4 years, नॉट आवर्स, 3-4 years आई वाज इनटू सर्चिंग गॉड. जैसे गॉड को ढूंढना है कुछ. तो ऐसा भी
ये
होता
God
है.
is within you,
हाँ
sitting
मधुलिका,
within you.
please feel free to
Yeah,
say. हाँ मधुलिका is
yeah, thank you.
हाँ
So if
मतलब
I
ये सब
may,
कंसेप्ट.
if I may ask to leave
हाँ
because
हाँ
I
please,
have
please.
another
I know you
session.
have a session at 10:30.
Yeah,
Thank you for joining in, darling.
thanks.
हाँ कर दिया. बोलो अभी बोलो.
अभी एक वो बंदा आया था.
Oh wait, let me close this session. All right, thank you for
हाँ.
joining in, and we shall meet tomorrow at 10 p.m. And tomorrow we will be reading about not self-affirmation, self-acceptance. All right, take care. Good night. Have a wonderful day, Anshika, and good night, Komal and Archana.